This demo will show you how you can export earned accruals from the program Checkbook. Export earned accruals to Microsoft Excel from the program Checkbook to provide supporting rebate details for customer programs. The export includes the associated invoice order details for transactional and adjustment accruals. This helps program managers and claim analysts to understand the accruals that make up the earned amounts for a customer and program. Use these details to research accruals to understand if manual adjustments are required for a program or to provide you additional information on how accruals are derived from invoiced orders. This feature serves as an audit trail of rebate accruals earned by each customer in a program. In this demo scenario, we are going to export earned accruals to Excel. The customer, Spruce Street Foods, makes an inquiry for the accruals earned and paid in the Spring-Summer promo program. We will cover how to show an audit of credit memos issued to Spruce. We'll also cover how to show an audit at a detailed accrual level that tracks each accrual earned, how much of it is in an open claim, how much is paid, and how much of it is still available. I'm logged in as the claim analyst, Seth Blair. Before I start with the demo, I would like to share a couple of tips. The first tip is around bookmarking saved searches. So on the programs page, I have a filter here, My Programs. I can apply other filters as needed, and I can save it for future use. So the way I do that is by using the bookmark feature of the browser. So I'm going to call it My Programs and save this bookmark. And if I need to access this page with these filters, I can access it from the browser bookmark. So I go to the browser bookmarks, I can see my programs, and I will select it. So that's the first tip. The second tip is around column personalization. For example, I would like to hide the description column and the owner column since my filter is open my programs. I don't need to see the owner and the description I would like to hide. I would also like to swap the order of the business unit and the program type columns. So the way I do that is through the column personalization. So I select that icon and turn off the owner, hide the owner and the description. And then I can swap the program type and the business unit. And, uh, and my changes are preserved for this browser and on my machine. So that's the second tip. Now moving on to the demo. So here I have a program, a Spring Summer promo for the customer Spruce Street Foods. I'm going to drill into it. And I will move on to the checkbook. I can see that Spruce Street Foods has earned accruals for 5,700 and in progress amount is 3,200. So I will click into the in progress amount to see more details. And I can see that there is one claim associated with that in progress amount for the 3,200 amount. I will go back to the program checkbook. Now I will drill into the earned amount for Spruce Street. This will initiate a background job So here I get my message that says export has been initiated. So basically, a background job has been initiated that will retrieve the earned accruals for Spruce Street Foods for this program, Spring Summer Promo. Once the background process has completed, I will get a notification in the bell icon indicating that it's ready for download. On the home page, I can see that there is one notification for me on the bell icon. So if I click that, I can see the notification title, which is basically composed of three components: um, the customer name, the program name, and the date and time that I initiated the earned accruals export. So if I click the title of the notification, I'm given an opportunity to download the Excel export. So I'm going to, so here's my Excel export for the earned accruals. And let me expand the columns to the full sizes. So the accrual extract for the earned has all the attributes that I need to see. So I have the accrual date, I have the accrue to customer, uh, the name of the program, uh, the item, the unit of measure, the quantity. I have the earned, in progress, paid, and available amounts for each of the accruals. I can see the accounted amounts, the bill to on the invoiced order, the invoice, the ship to details, uh, the shipment details like the shipment number, the bill of lading, the way bill number, the warehouse, and as well as uh, any details for the adjustment accrual. In this case, I only have transactional accruals, so the adjustment columns are blank. But if I had an adjustment accrual, I would have values, the adjustment details here in my accrual extract. So this concludes the demo of the earned accrual export. Thank you for watching. You can refer to the Channel Revenue Management 24C What's New document for more information on this feature.